Hey, agents, Luis Moreno here with Think Medicare, Think ACA. I got an agent question, ACA question from this agent. The question is this. Actual scenario, somebody's under 65 and under the income to qualify for subsidies. She's legally married, but has been separated for years. Only income right now is Social Security and does not file taxes. What would you do? Okay, I see a bunch of red flags here, bunch of not good things. I'm going to answer and point these out as soon as you like, comment, and then subscribe to the channel, guys. Okay, so let's kind of talk about the scenario. So she's legally married. So how do they file? Okay, number one, if they file married separate, then regardless of whether they qualify or not, no subsidies, no CSRs. So that is issue number one. Okay. Issue number two, let's say that they happen to file married joint, but she doesn't file taxes, but let's just say that they do, then you're going to use the combination of Social Security and the combination of the other spouse's income, put those together and see if they qualify. Okay, but the married filing separate, complete no-go. Now, the other scenario here is the fact that the income is too low. So I don't know what state this is in, but I'm going to share with you right now my smart book. Okay, this smart book, guys, is a reference manual that I put together for insurance agent. I use it all the time. So let's get in here and let's look at Medicaid and the expansion of Medicaid. So first of all, let's look at the income chart. Okay, in this income chart, you're going to see that if an insured is anywhere between 100% and 150.
Guys, I've got a community of ACA and Medicare agents that we're putting together. 25 years in business is what I'm going to be sharing with you. Guys, come join us at the community, a community of ACA and Medicare agents, and we'll show you how to grow.
In most states, they qualify for a low-income SCP, and you can write it. Now, if your state expanded Medicaid, it goes from 138 to 150, and that is because those expansion states of Medicaid, they qualify, those individuals will qualify for Medicaid if they're 138 below. So the window for that low income got a lot smaller, okay, for those expansion states. So let's go in here and let's go look at those expansion states. Give me a minute. There we go. Okay, so if you look at this, the states that are in blue expanded Medicaid. So in those states, Medicaid expansion states, that window is between 138 and 150. For the non-expansion states like Texas and these other ones in orange, it's from 100 to 150. So you're insured. If they're in one of these orange states, they're pretty much screwed. Now, they're screwed in the sense that they can get an ACA policy, but they're going to have to pay the full premium and get no cost sharing reductions. It's going to be very, very tough. If they're in one of the blue states, then they qualify for Medicaid. All right.
This video is being sponsored by Agent CRM. Agent CRM is a CRM that I use for my agency for every line of business: auto, home, life, commercial, Medicare, and ACA. It should be the CRM that you use too. Click up here to get some more information.
Hope that was helpful. Guys, do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber. And then that question, guys, came from the community, a community that I created. It's a paid membership. It's $50 a month. I'll have the link down below. But we're really trying to put ACA and Medicare agents together and help each other out. Okay, there's a lot of stuff we're doing. We're doing masterminds. And I actually have to have a list here of all the things that we're providing. We're providing quote scenarios. Okay, weekly submissions. You send me your scenario and I answer it. Okay, we're doing weekly masterminds during AEP and OEP. We're doing monthly masterminds outside of those windows. We're helping you with ads, okay? Lead gen, workshops on financials, taxes, business planning, carrier-specific trainings, compliance, and recertification.
You want to know everything about ACA or Medicare? Click up here to get my ACA and Medicare Smart Books.
Discounts on a lot of the tech tools that I use to run my business. Guys, I'm gonna have all this for you. If you decide to join, the link will be down below. I have my smart books. If you want to purchase them, this one that I just showed you, I have the link down below for the ACA and the Medicare. And if you really suck at ACA and you need help, I have an ACA 101 course that you can get. Guys, again, this is Luis Moreno. Think Medicare, think ACA.